Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If your Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11, I'll tell you some very easy and genuine steps and we will back the Wi-Fi again and you will be able to use your laptop or desktop again. So please do not worry about it and do these easy steps. So the very first thing here is to click on the start icon or just do a right click on the start icon, go to run and here in run window type ncpa.cpl like this and click on OK and look for the Wi-Fi right there. If you find it, just do a right click and disable it and then again enable it. In Windows 11 at the bottom right corner where you have show hidden icons, click on that or just click anywhere like this. Make sure the Wi-Fi, the airplane mode is not turned on. There could be a possibility that mistakenly you have turned on the airplane mode. So you need to check whether it is turned on or not. If it's turned on, then turn it off. If you're unable to find it here, then you can simply search airplane mode. Just type air and you will find flight mode. So it is turned off right now. The airplane mode, the flight mode. Once you have disabled it, re-enabled it, you have already checked the flight mode, it doesn't work, then simply restarting the computer also works. Trust me, for many of us, it do works. Right. And once this is done, if you still have issues, then I would recommend to run the troubleshooter. And here in the search icon, type troubleshoot, and you will find troubleshoot settings and click on other troubleshooters and here you need to select the network internet. All right, and if you still have issues, then go to network and internet at the left hand side, scroll down to advanced network settings and network reset all network adapter to factory settings, and you just need to reset it and you need to connect to your Wi-Fi again. And for most of us, this will fix the problem. Do let me know in the comment section which step has fixed your Wi-Fi problem. And I'll be glad if you comment, hit the like, and subscribe if this tutorial has helped you. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.